All right, when talking about the crisis, it is very interesting. I am now in Barcelona, and the weather is sunny, and it's great and nice and thing. But been speaking to the colleagues here and to the people in the conference, and they say, well, it depends where they are. I am based in London, and I think that, what do you mean by crisis? Do you mean the financial market crisis? Do you mean the economic crisis? What is really the crisis? So as far as panic is concerned, as far as deleveraging, as far as surging VIX prices, I think that the worst of that is behind us for now. I would say that there is really as much as a 40% chance that we are going to see something like that, I would say, before the end of the first half of 2010. But as for now, I believe that the worst of that the crisis is behind us for now. And the reason that I say only for now is because the central banks are injecting liquidity, are taking care of the market side of the story. Unfortunately, the liquidity and the improvement that we are seeing in the financial market is not yet kicking in, macroeconomically speaking. The money that the government is actually lending to the banks is not going to people's pockets, and there is still concerns about rising joblessness, rising unemployment. Yes, there are 1 month and 2 months here and there where we see a stabilization. And more importantly, because the United Kingdom and the US are very much consumer-driven economies, when unemployment is up and when the threat of foreclosures is actually still lurking, we may see a risk that the consumer may not be able to do for the economy what traders are doing for the stock market. And that's why there is a fear, and there's a fear that the rise in stock markets is getting way too ahead of the slight improvement in the macroeconomic story.